Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Mega unable to open file problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Before we move on to our first solution, we check if Mega is up to date. Our first solution is to completely delete Mega and reinstall it. To clean Mega's files, we enter the settings. Then we click on Apps and then we click on Manage Apps. In the search bar, we type Mega. Click on Storage. Click on Clear Data. We click on Clear All Data and press OK to confirm. We cleaned Mega's files. Now we can delete Mega. After deleting Mega, we enter the Play Store and download it again. We downloaded Mega. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to download the old version of Mega. Downloading the old version of Mega fixed many people's problems on Reddit. So we will try to solve the problem by downloading the old version of Mega. Before we do this, we delete the up-to-date Mega on our device. Now we can download the old version of Mega. I will put the download link in the description section. You can enter the site from there. After entering the site, we scroll down. After coming to the download section, we click on the second one. Then we scroll down again and click on Download APK. If you haven't downloaded APK file before, you may have problems here. You need to give permission to your browser. You can learn how to do this by watching the video I put in the card section. Click on Download again. We downloaded our file. Now we can start the installation process. Mega's installation is complete. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. Before ending the video, there are alternative solutions that I would like to mention. You can try to solve the problem by changing your internet. You can also try the browser instead of the app. Copy the link of the file and paste it into your browser. In this way, you can open files that do not open in the application in your browser. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.